Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So in this video I will tell you, basically I will teach you that how you can earn a lot of money from using single mobile application. Okay, so money is very important in nowadays. Anything you want is depend on money. Okay, so money is a very big value, very high value in nowadays. Okay, you can earn a lot of money. Yes, you can earn a lot of money, in fact a lot of dollars from a single mobile application, and the name of the mobile application is Clipclaps. Maybe you know this application before, and majority did not know this application, and they don't know how to use this application, how he can earn from this application, all the procedure and criteria. Okay, so I will tell you all about this application in this video. Just stay connected, I will tell you on my mobile screen. So let's go to my mobile screen and I will tell you each and everything about this application. Come on. So guys, welcome to my mobile screen. Your first question is that how we can get Clipclaps in our mobile. So simple answer is that you can get it from Play Store. First of all, open your Play Store and search Clipclaps. Okay, so when you search, you can download easily from Play Store, and I have already downloaded this. So I am going to open this application. So you have to wait for 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, now the application is opened. So first of all, this is your profile. Okay, this is your profile, and this is coins. Okay, and this is reward house. So first of all, click on coins. Okay, so 1 lakh coin is equal to 1 USD. Okay, 1 lakh coin means $1, and I have earned $2.76 in just few days, and 18,000 coins. So I will convert these coins to cash, and check this. And withdraw option is you can withdraw the amount in PayPal. The lowest amount you can withdraw is 10 cent. Okay, and $10, 15, 20 and 250. Okay, and other option is that you can recharge your mobile, gift card, bank transfer, Jazz Cash, Easy Pesa or Diamond, whatever you want. So question is that how you can earn the clap coins. Okay, so here is reward. So you will get 4 spins in a day. So I am going to spin, check what I will get. So I get 100 coins. Okay, and one option is that you can spin and earn the coin. Second option is you can earn the boxes from which you can get coins, and third one is that $10 cash, 1 raffle cash, and so many options. Okay, you can check it on your own mobiles. So another option is that you can watch videos. Okay, when you watch videos you can earn coins. So you can check this line. When this line will be filled, the box will appear in your rewards. I have 12 this box, 48, 67. I have many box. Okay, and another option is that when you redeem code of other users in there, so you will get $1 free of cost. Okay, and what is other watch video for 1 minute. If you watch a video for 1 minute, you will get 500 clip coins. Okay, and if you play one game in Clipclaps, you can earn 100 coins. Okay, and other is that okay, there are many options. You can see watch videos, you can earn coin. Give claps to other users, you can earn coin. Give share to other users, you can earn Clipclap coins. Okay, and this is Clipclap team. I have 10 members in my team. If you invite member, you can get Clipclap coins, cash raffles, and that's it. If you download this application and use this application, you will know each and everything about this application. So this is the application you can use to earn so many dollars. So just check this application and make your account and enjoy the free dollars. Okay, goodbye.